Today I will talk about the job interviews. First, okay. My name is Vitawat Kaunil. My next name is Gong. I am 19 years old. I'm graduated from Lashmankara University at the bachelor degree. I'm studying in English major, and I also have the special skill is that I can speak in the three different languages like English, Japanese, Chinese, and also have a strength point is a methodical person. I always check the work that I finish, and I am a honestly person. I will do my job that I have acquired to until it finishes. But my weakness that I want to improve is I'm quite a bit a hyperactive person. I can stand still for a long time, but like I told you, I want to improve this and I will fix it in the future. And I interested to find some new information like to read the news or find a new experience like go to the other country or learn a new language. And if you choose me, I will do the best, not make you disappointed on me. Thank you.